Have you ever done this? You prayed. You told God, I give this to you. And then, 5 minutes later, that same worry came back, like it never left. You're not broken. You're not failing at faith. There are millions of people tonight lying in bed, eyes closed, but their mind is still running. The same problem, the same fear, the same question, over and over and over again. And you're exhausted, not just physically, but deep inside, in a place that sleep doesn't seem to reach. Today, I want to show you why this happens, and more importantly, how to actually let go. Here's what science tells us. Inside your brain, there is a small region called the amygdala. Think of it as your brain's alarm system. Its one job is to detect danger. And here's the thing, it's very, very good at its job. The moment a problem shows up in your life, your amygdala fires. It sends a signal through your entire body. Stay alert. Don't stop thinking. You need to fix this. So when you say, Lord, I give this to you, your heart believes it, but your amygdala doesn't. It says, the problem is still there. The situation hasn't changed. Keep worrying. This is why you can pray and still feel anxious. This is why you can trust God in your spirit and still feel the weight in your chest. You are carrying a burden that was never meant for you. So what do? Philippians 4:6 says, do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. Now notice something. It doesn't just say pray. It says pray with thanksgiving. That one word changes everything. When you bring gratitude into your prayer, your brain shifts. It moves out of fear mode and into rest mode. Dopamine is released. Your amygdala receives a signal. We are safe. We are not alone. The anxiety begins to lose its grip. And there's one more thing I want to give you tonight. Name the worry. Write it down. Say it out loud. This burden is not mine. I am placing this in God's hands. When your brain gives something a name, it registers it as complete, as handled. And when something feels handled, your mind finally stops. This is not just a spiritual practice. This is how God designed your brain to find peace. So tonight, before you sleep, write down one worry, hand it to God, and then choose not to pick it back up. Drop a comment below. Just say, I am choosing rest. God did not create you to carry all of this. He created you to trust the one who already holds it.